In this video, we are going to see how you can get the universe ID for any game on Roblox directly on your Roblox browser once you logged in with your ID and your password. You don't need to go in application specifically. You can just get the universe ID for any game. So for example, I want the universe ID for this one. You just open this up, and from here, before even opening the game, you just right click here anywhere in the blank space and you click on view page source. Here it is, and it will open up the programming style of page. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. Just press Ctrl F here. On the top you can see the search. We just write universe dash ID or hyphen ID, and it will automatically find it for you. And the next thing you can see just after that is the universe ID for that specific game. You just copy it from here and you can use it wherever you want or wherever it's applicable. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.